I'm Lori, and welcome to the Med Spa. I wanted to talk to you today about the protocols we have in place to make your check-in seamless. First, we do require that all guests wear masks. As you can see, I'm wearing mine. Next, upon arriving, we will be checking your temperature, either on the forehead or on your wrist. And for your convenience, there's hand sanitizer placed all throughout the Med Spa that is for guest use. Moving forward with COVID, we are now going paperless. So upon making your appointment, either in person or over the phone, we do have a website called TouchMD. This will allow you to view consents, a registration form, and a COVID consent, and make the check-in process even easier. Once we get all of your information, we send an email to you through TouchMD. We do also ask that you check your junk mail, and we will show you how easy it is to start the process. Next, the last tidbit that we do ask all of our guests is if you are doing any injectables with us through Allergan or Aspire, that you do check your account and redeem any of your gift certificates or points before coming in. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and check out our next video.